Everyone, I am back with another video after a long time. Obviously the lockdown season has already started again, so I think there will be a pretty much a lot of time to do videos again. So today I created this cool tone look for y'all, which is pretty much out of my comfort zone because I love warm tones on me. I love it. I feel like on Sri Lankan Asian skin tones, cool more than cool tones, warm tones looks really nice. But saying that, I feel like this look will look really nice on anybody basically. It has a little bit of warmth more than what I expected. So this look was created using the Dose of Colors Pretty Cool palette, which has a really nice range of cool tone colors. It doesn't have like completely cool tones, like a small balance of warmth and cool tones in it. So it's really nice. I hope that you guys will enjoy this look. And I'm so happy to be creating videos for y'all because you all have been asking me to create more videos, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't because I was quite busy for the last few months after the lockdown. So now, since the lockdown season is back, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to create more videos. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you all think of this look. Hope you enjoyed. So let's start up. For the eye base, I'm using the P. Louise eye base. This is in room number 2.
So my eyebrows are a mess. Let me tell you that first. I couldn't go to a salon and get my eyebrows done. So they are pretty messy. So please ignore that. We'll try to fix that a bit later after I'm done with my eye look.
Today I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Pretty Cool palette. That means I'm going to do a cool look, a cool tone look, which I usually don't do it on myself. I am not a cool tone lover, but I mean, what the heck, I can do something new. So I thought of using this palette because it pretty much says the Pretty Cool palette. So yeah, I have never used this palette. This is the first time. So first I'm gonna start with this color. Let's start from there. I'm thinking I might use all these colors, but I'm not sure. But we'll start from here first. Pretty much tap the eyeshadow where I want it. I'm thinking of a smoky look. Brush like this and taking the first shade, which is a bit lighter than the other shade that I use. Next I'm going to take this color. Mostly place it on the outer corners itself, and then slowly take it into the crease. Now I'm going to take this color. It's a very cool tone color. It's like basically a gray. You can see how cool toned the look is getting now. I'm going to use a black liner on the top and smoke it out with the last color that we have. So I'm using this brush. It came out with the palette itself. So I'm going to use that last color of the palette. I'm going to take this Super Shock eyeshadow from Colourpop. It's in shade Kush. That is actually really pretty. I've never used that color before, and it's super pretty. So what I'm gonna do now is get this color again and then blend it with the eyeshadow that I have already replaced. Please take this really dark shade here again. I think what's missing for this eye look is a black. I think I'm gonna go for a black because I need a little bit more smoke than this, I guess. See, it's basically fading into the black. So I'm gonna do something now. What I'm gonna do is scoop out a little bit of this color. There's a little bit of color into it. I'm gonna add one drop of Duraline from Inglot. Mix those two together. Makes this it makes a bit metallic. Okay, now it's time for our skin. I've already put my moisturizer and my eye cream. So today I'm going to use the LC Glow Enhancer. This is good stuff. So I'm going to apply my foundation now. I'll be right back. So I've done my base now. I'm going to set my under eyes mostly. So I'm going to use this puff. This is from Tati Beauty. It's a very soft puff sort of a thing. I'm gonna take a little bit, not a lot, because you guys know that I don't use a lot of powder on myself, like only the under eyes, because those are the places that creases the most. But before that, I'm gonna make sure that there are no creases under my eyes or anywhere on my face, and then take a little bit of powder, this much, and then like spread it around the puff. Do you see how smooth my under eyes look now? I'm gonna do the usual and be right back. So the face is done, the base is like completely done, and do you see this glow? love it. I think I might put a little bit of powder highlight on top later, but at the moment I'm blown away. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to use the basically a black liner is fine. Just put it in the waterline. And I'm taking a little bit under the lash line as well. Mix these two and blend this black liner. So now I'm gonna take my mascara. This is from NARS. It's called Climax Mascara. I'm gonna put eyebrow gel. This is the Givenchy Mr. Brow Groomer. This is a really good eyebrow gel because it gives this very separated, bushy sort of, those feathery eyebrows that I love. I don't like this. I don't like the structured eyebrow a lot. It's not my style. So this gives me this very feathery eyebrows. Do you see this? Those of colors, fuego. This is like one of my favorite highlighters. I'm gonna use individuals for my eyelashes, but I'm not a person who would wear lashes all the time. But for this look, you need a lash. And I'm mostly focusing on the outer corner of my eyelashes because I want this elongated look. I don't mind keeping the inner part of the eyelashes a bit subtle, but I want my outer corners to be pretty heavy. So I've already applied the lashes to the both sides. Now what I'm going to do is basically curl my lashes. This helps you to like curl little by little, like section by section. So I'll show you. You see? The lift it gives is just awesome. And then these individuals, the best thing about individuals is it does not make you feel uncomfortable wearing eyelashes. Now it's time for the lips. I think everything else is done. I'm actually loving this cool tone look that I did on myself. I'm not a big fan. Like I said, I'm not a big fan, but I love it. I mean, it makes me look extra like always. So I'm back with a cute top and I put my hand down. So for the lips, I want a pretty cool tone look because a cool tone, maybe a very nude sort of a look. We see how it goes, but that's what's in my mind at the moment. So this cute top is from Shein. Their clothes are pretty good. I must say that they're really good. So for the lips, I love this lip liner from Dose of Color. This is called Dime. It has a pretty cool tone for me. So yeah, we'll line our lips first. Take the Patika lipstick. She's Unapologetic. This is a very nude color. We'll see how it goes. I usually put this, like wear this with a different color usually, but we'll see how it goes. See, it's pretty nude. Do is take another lip liner which has a little bit of a color, I guess, a brown tone color. See, it has more warm tones than this one, so I'm going to use this lip liner and blend. A little bit more blush and then apply it on my cheeks. Setting spray, you can't forget that. So the look is complete. I like how it looks. I mean, it's completely different for my liking. Usually it's out of my comfort zone, but I like it. It has turned out really nice. It has a cool tone look, but it's not fully cool tone because of this palette. The Dose of Color palette is pretty good. I mean, it doesn't make you look too dead, I feel like. So it's nice. I like it. I like how it has turned out. And then yeah, let me know what kind of videos that you guys want to watch from this channel. I was thinking to do like a Shein fashion haul or like a try on kind of a video. Let me know if you guys are interested. And I was also thinking I want to do a full Dose of Color, like all the products used from Dose of Colors, because a lot of people have been asking me about Dose of Color products and they're pretty good. I mean, the foundation I use today is from Dose of Colors, so I have most of the products from them. Let me know if you want to watch a full Dose of Color product video. I would love to do that and it would be fun. I mean, all Dose of Colors, I love it. I love the brand. So yeah, let me know what you all think of it. I can definitely do that for you. Yeah, see you next time. I like it. There can be a lot of time that we can do all these